Citizens of Litera City! I, your brilliant and forever hungry mayor, am hosting the great Litera City banquet. There shall be speeches, fireworks, and a cake so tall it brushes the clouds. Let me check my mayoral cupboard of brilliance and see what can be found to feed the citizens. Empty? No flour, no frosting, not even a lonely biscuit crumb. Who has eaten my victory dessert before I've achieved victory? Dolores, summon someone who knows about cake.
Mrs. Wordsmith's podcast for kids.
Hello, Bogart. You called for baking backup? Lucky for you, I came running. Bernice the bear, baker of dreams, here to help.
Excellent. You shall bake me a masterpiece. 12 layers, gold icing, and fireworks shooting out of the top.
Fireworks and cake don't mix, Bogart. We'll start simple. A sponge cake. You need to crawl before you can crumb.
I don't crawl, I command.
Then you can command the whisk. First things first, we gather our ingredients.
Define it!
Ingredient means one of the things you use to make food. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter. Each one has a special job.
Then I'll add my own ingredient. Ambition.
Ambition's nice, but it won't make the cake rise. All right, 1 cup of flour.
Make it 10. The cake must be colossal.
No, Bogart. Too much flour makes it dense and dry. Baking is all about balance.
Balance, schmalance. My greatness cannot be measured in cups.
Oh, but it must be measured. If you don't measure right, nothing works. Baking is like science. Mix the right amounts in the right order at the right time.
Science? Ha! I passed science with flying colors, mostly from chemical explosions.
Let's avoid explosions today, shall we? Now, sugar, 1/2 cup.
Fine, but only because I like symmetry. Done!
Bogart, that was 6 eggs and some of the shell.
Extra protein, you're welcome.
Baking's not about chaos, it's about teamwork. The ingredients have to work together.
So you're saying my cake needs diplomacy? I'm very diplomatic.
If by diplomatic you mean bossy, sure, now pour in the milk and stir.
Faster stirring means faster cake, right?
Wrong! You'll send half the batter flying!
Huh, the wall looks delicious.
Bogart, baking takes something you don't have much of. Patience.
Another one of your tricky words. Define it!
Patience means staying calm and taking your time, even when you want everything to be done now.
So it's like waiting for applause after a speech?
Exactly, but in baking, the applause comes when your cake doesn't explode.
Boring, I prefer drama.
Pour the mix into the tin, gently. Perfect. Now, before we bake, let's double-check the recipe.
Aha! Finally, my kind of word. Sounds like royalty.
Not quite. Recipe means a list of steps that shows you how to make something. It's like a roadmap for food.
Bah, I don't need maps. I lead by instinct.
Instinct won't stop your cake from collapsing.
Maybe it should. Then it'll be a pancake. Easier to eat.
You can't argue with that logic. All right, into the oven it goes. Now we wait.
Wait. Surely we can speed this up. Perhaps a hairdryer to help it rise?
No! Ovens work because of steady heat. Too much and it burns. Too little and it stays gooey.
I demand instant results.
Patience, remember? It's half the fun. While we wait, did you know baking powder makes bubbles in the batter? That's what makes it rise.
So the cake inflates itself like a balloon? I like it. We'll call it the Bogart balloon cake.
Sure, but if it flies out the window, it's your fault. Uh-oh, I smell trouble.
Smells like victory.
More like burnt marshmallow. Bogart, you left it in too long.
Impossible. I followed none of the instructions perfectly.
There's your problem.
I call it crispy a la Bogart. Very avant-garde.
It's a rock with icing.
Then I've invented stone cake. Durable and delicious.
Let's decorate it anyway. Add some icing, a few sprinkles.
And my face on top.
Fine, but you have to help.
Very well. Pass the spoon.
There, you did it. Not bad for your first time.
Surprisingly satisfying.
See, that's the joy of baking. Teamwork, learning, and making a mess together.
Speaking of mess, there's frosting on my tie. Unacceptable. And you're far too cheerful for my kitchen.
Uh-oh. Not the exit tube?
Indeed. Out you go, Bear. There. Problem solved. Citizens, the banquet is saved. Someone fetch me a cake that's already baked. Preferably one that doesn't talk back. And remember, obey the rules.
Mrs. Wordsmith's podcast for kids.
Hey guys, that podcast was delicious. But did you hear the Lightbulb words this week? They were ingredients, patience, and recipe. Make sure to listen back to hear them and maybe try using them in a sentence. Now here's a song.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Playing the ball. Flour in the bowl, sugar on the side. Crack an egg, watch it glide. Measure it right, don't go too fast. Mix it up, make the fun last. Step by step, we'll get it
To hear the complete song and more Mrs. Wordsmith music, check out the playlist link in the description. See you soon!